Hi, this is Technical Channel Online. Today I show you how to activate your Office Home and Student preloaded version. So let's start. So this is Office Home and Student already installed, and I am checking the mail address who is contain the license. So I am trying to sign in this account and find this mail address is contain the license or not. I am checking the license. So sign in. After giving password, try to active, and here it shows this mail address has no license. Try different. So I am click the different mail address and sign out this mail address, and this is the another mail address, and I'm trying to this mail address to activate the software. Click activation, sign in, give the mail address. Before no active Office Home and Student, you need to first choose a Microsoft account. This is the primary account, and this first logging account is contain the license. So next time you need this mail address. I just input this mail address and password and try to activate, and the it automatically assign this license and close the software and reopen the software again. And here is show the activation with net internet. I just next, and this here is show the activate software. I just snapshot for customer. The software is successfully activated. I just check the software activated or not. File, then account, and the software is activated. Now I take a screenshot for customer to confirm him the software is activated, and I paste it and confirm the customer. Okay, done. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like, share, and comments. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.